Judge me, judge your mom. Hey, sugar lumps. What's today? Today's Wednesday. Yeah. I want to make my own fertilizer for my houseplants. And I don't want to buy fertilizer anymore. Because here's the thing. I feel like every time I buy the houseplant fertilizer, maybe I'm just not buying the right one, but I don't see that it's really doing much, right? And for the amount that you pay for houseplant fertilizer or food that you get from the grocery store, you can make it at home for pennies with food scraps. So that's what I'm gonna make with the help of ChatGPT. So I knew I could do like banana peels, eggshells, coffee. Like I know those things, but I want to like make a balanced fertilizer. So with the help of ChatGPT, I was like, hey, I have monsteras and philodendrons. Philodendrons? Philodendrons. So in my house, I have philodendrons and monstera. Those are the two house plants that I have that I can actually keep alive. Well, I got a what do they call it? Spider plant or airplane plant? I have that too. But I asked Chat, hey, give me a simple but effective food, or did I say food? Plant fertilizer recipe that I can make at home. And so it said banana peels, coffee grounds that have already been used. I don't have any coffee grounds that have been used because I don't drink coffee, but I do got some coffee. So maybe I'll do like half the amount because you don't want too much of the coffee grounds because it's, has a lot of nitrogen in it. And then it said molasses. I got all those things. So we about to make us some plant fertilizer. First we need a banana. And since I can't eat the fruit, the dogs are going to enjoy a banana treat. You want a banana, Papa? Because we just need the peel. Oh, and these is the perfect bananas. Right here, this is my favorite kind of banana. When it gets the brown speckles on it, oh, she smells amazing. Okay, we're just gonna give you half of this for now. Oh, you want a banana? Oh, you have to like beg for him to come eat something. He's just so tooty. Oh, come get some banana. Where are you at? Oh, right here. You want a nanny? Or are you tired of bananas? At one point, when I was making smoothies, I was always giving them a piece of my banana. Oh, she's like, don't give me no more banana. I'm done. I don't want no more. Here, Nico. Come back. There you go. All right, and then we'll save the rest for them for a little afternoon snacky. Snacky, snacky. Okay, we got our water. I need another jar. I'll be back. I'm coming back. I just wanna get to know ya, but don't turn around. All right, we got everything we need. So I got some really good coffee. Have you ever tried this Sumatra? It is so good if you like dark coffee. I got this for Paul's mom when she was in town. So since this is so strong, ChatGPT said do half a tablespoon, but I think I'm gonna just do a teaspoon because this is pretty potent. And then molasses for trace minerals and to promote microbes. We got a banana peel. And then, is that it? Is that all we need? We got our water. And then I'm going to add mosquito bits in mine because I always tell you, we get mosquitoes, or not mosquitoes, Lord, gnats here crazy. So I'm gonna start in this jar. This is gonna be my concentrate, right? And then I'm gonna mix my concentrate into a full gallon of water. I think, I don't know yet. So we're gonna do about 3 cups of distilled water. And you know why I use distilled water? You can use spring water too, because it has minerals in it. But I like to use distilled water when I'm like making infusions and decoctions or whatever, because distilled water has nothing in it, so it can pull herbs and whatever you put in it. It can pull the medicinal properties out of it because it's empty. Water likes to pull. Okay, yeah, we'll do 3. It is the universal solvent. Water is. Okay. And then we will do our banana peel. I'm really excited for this. You know, I love to like tinker with stuff and like make concoctions. I used to do this as a kid in the bathroom, mixing cleaning products. I'm surprised I didn't kill myself. Okay, and now I feel like a kid again doing the same stuff I used to do as a little tot. Oh, that smells so good. I want some coffee. We're gonna do just a teaspoon. Man, I feel like this is a bit too much, just even a teaspoon. But that's all right. We're gonna dilute it. Okay, and then how much of the molasses did Chad say we needed? A teaspoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses. Hey, what does that right there? Okay, don't play with me. A teaspoon of molasses. Wait, I need a teaspoon of mosquito bits first. Get those natural microbes in there. Ooh, I might be on to something. I might have to bottle this up and sell it now. Don't you be trying to steal my idea. No, you can steal it because I like you. Okay, and then a teaspoon. I got this molasses because I was like, I'm gonna start taking molasses to help with my iron. I do not like the taste of molasses. It is too, I don't know, I don't like it. So it's just been sitting here. So now I have a reason to use it. Yo, what if this like really works and my plants just go like, you remember when Miracle Grow first came out and they was showing those commercials of like people with like these huge pumpkins and tomatoes and stuff, and everybody wanted to buy Miracle Grow? What if my concoction does that to houseplants? Now come on, I need like a whisk or something. All right. Then we're gonna put the lid on this baby. Come on, lid. Shake her up real good, and we're gonna leave her alone for 24 hours. Then in 24 hours, we'll strain her and add her to our gallon of water. You know what? I don't know if I'm gonna add it to this gallon of water. I might keep the concoction in here and just add a little bit at a time to my water when I'm watering the plants, because I don't want it to go bad sitting in here, because I think it's only, I don't know. How long does this last? I think this, we gotta think about that, okay? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna let that sit out for 24 hours and then we'll water our plant. It says to only water your plants with this every 3 to 4 weeks. Cause it's supposed to be that good. We'll see though. Now what I'm gonna do with the rest of this coffee, I'm gonna put it in a bag or something.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and
Okay, guess what time it is? It's time for us to strain our fertilizer and use it. Let's hope I don't kill all the plants, okay? I might do a tester. I might do one plant and see how it does. Yeah, I think that would be the smart idea, don't you? Okay, so I have it underneath my sink. I don't want to gross nobody out. People look terrible. Look at that. Okay. So I'm gonna strain it and then pour it into my gallon of water to dilute it. Now, they in there fighting, you know that's what they do. You can judge me if you want to, but I don't have a sieve or like cheesecloth that I can use for this, solely for this. So I'm end up having to use this that prevents oil splatters. And I'm gonna wash it real good and reuse it again. So judge me, judge your mama. I should get a dedicated one, but I don't have one. So we're gonna use this that I cook with. Don't smell bad. It just smells like bananas and coffee. Nico, way too early. Way too early. Okay. And then we're going to pour the rest in here. Man, I hope this works, or either we done wasted a gallon of water. I hope it do something. Very much something. We just got a little bit left.